Well, we're starting out this morning on our 03 F350 crew cab, 6-liter, single rear wheel pickup. And this old pickup's got over 440,000 miles on it. Third engine currently, and probably third set of brakes or so. And we are in the process of replacing the brake pads, hopefully, on the rear end. Wyatt is going to help me here this morning on getting the job done. This old pickup is got a new life on it, in that we got the engine rebuilt here recently and a new flatbed, and so just doing the maintenance stuff on it here. Anyway, we're going to take a few short videos in the process of getting this thing done, and hopefully y'all are well. Talk to you later.